Will oobleck inside a watermelon protect an ostrich egg if I throw it from the 5th floor? So, let me prepare oobleck, also known as non-Newtonian fluid. You can check at Wikipedia what it is. Make it at your own. You'll need just a cornstarch and some water, or watermelon juice in my case. So, again, regular ostrich egg from the local market. Just look at how huge it is. Hope it will fit my watermelon. Watermelon and cornstarch. Time to get the preparation done. Almost ready. Smells really yummy. Oh, just look at this. Here's my first viewer. Hope it's subscribed to my channel, like you guys. Now I put the egg inside the watermelon. And I use that cut part of the watermelon as the lid and seal it with a scotch tape. Guess I'm ready. Well, again, no luck for the egg. Just look at this, completely crashed. So, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more crazy stuff. And don't forget to clean after yourself.